Welcome back to Moter Vision, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, deep dives, and futuristic rides that are turning heads around the world. If you're into innovation on wheels, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our car-loving community. Now, let's take a ride into the past. Fused with the future, introducing the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle. The name Beetle is not just a car, it's a cultural icon. From its origins in the 1930s to the flower power movement of the 60s, the Beetle has always been more than just transportation. It's been a statement. But in 2025, Volkswagen has taken the soul of this legend and supercharged it into something no one saw coming. The 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle is not just a reimagined compact car. It's an electrified tribute to the original, infused with the latest tech and style innovations Volkswagen has to offer. It's slightly larger, much more powerful, and astonishingly modern while staying true to the curves and charm of the classic Beetle design. From the outside, the Super Beetle demands attention. The iconic round headlights are back, now fully LED with animated turn signals and an illuminated VW badge that subtly glows at night. The smooth curved fenders have been retained but now flow into a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. It rides lower and wider than its predecessor, giving it a more aggressive stance without losing the friendly face people have always loved. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor sits a cutting-edge electric drivetrain. Volkswagen has equipped the Super Beetle with its latest EMB Evo platform, giving it a range of around 350 miles on a full charge. It's powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that can put out up to 320 horsepower, making this the fastest Beetle ever built. 0 to 60, just under 5 seconds. Not bad for a car whose ancestors barely hit highway speeds. Charging is lightning fast too, thanks to 800-volt fast charging capability. In about 20 minutes, you're back on the road with 80% juice. Volkswagen has clearly taken lessons from its i lineup and added a touch of retro magic. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's a beautiful blend of retro simplicity and futuristic luxury. The dash features a large, floating old touchscreen seamlessly integrated into a smooth panel that mimics the original Beetle's minimalist look. Digital gauges are fully customizable, and an augmented reality head-up display projects navigation and alerts right onto the windshield. The steering wheel is a two-spoke design that echoes the vintage models but features touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback. The seats are wrapped in vegan leather with color schemes inspired by classic Beetle editions. Think denim blues, bright oranges, and soft creams. Ambient lighting wraps the interior, and you can set the mood to match your vibe, from neon party mode to warm earth tones. Volkswagen has made the Super Beetle not just stylish but smart. It's packed with level 2 autonomous driving features, meaning adaptive cruise, lane centering, traffic jam assist, and even self-parking come standard. Voice assistant, of course. Over-the-air updates, absolutely. And with the MyV app, you can remotely control climate, monitor charging, and even locate your Beetle in a crowded parking lot. On the road, the Super Beetle feels tight, agile, and incredibly responsive. It's not just quick, it's fun. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery pack, gives it go-kart-like handling, while the silent powertrain makes for a surprisingly peaceful ride. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising along a coastal highway, the Super Beetle delivers pure driving joy. Volkswagen is also launching several trims, including a base model, a GT edition with sportier tuning and design elements, and even a limited retro package that brings back two-tone paint, chrome accents, and white wall-style wheels. Pricing starts around $37,000 and climbs with options. But you're getting a lot of car for the price, both in performance and personality. What's even more exciting is Volkswagen's plan to release convertible and performance variants in the next year, meaning the Beetle Renaissance is just getting started. So is the 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle worth the hype? If you love heritage with a modern heartbeat, this might be the most charming EV on the market today. It doesn't just pay tribute to the past, it reinvents it. This car isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution in a familiar shape. Thanks for watching Moter Vision. If this review gave you some serious nostalgia mixed with futuristic excitement, drop a like and tell us in the comments what you think about the 2025 Super Beetle. Would you drive one? Or do you prefer the classic? And if you haven't already, subscribe for more deep dives into tomorrow's rides. Today, see you in the next one.